What happened to your frisbee, Pipe? Get your frisbee. Get the toy. Get the toy, Pipe.
Hey guys, so if you're wondering, yes, I am still on night shift. It's been approximately 2 more weeks, I think, and yeah, let's just not get into that. We're going shift by shift at this point. It's looking good, but I am not jinxing this again. So let's just say that in this video that I am introducing, I'm either at work or sleeping. So Mike kind of took charge and I really appreciate it. He is going to be doing an unboxing and just a little life with us. So hope you enjoy it.
What do you guys think looks better, black or white? I always had to have black vehicles, always, up until I got this. When it comes to hiding dirt, I think the white paint does a much better job. Look at how filthy this thing is, right? But get away from it. Looks great. Black, on the other hand, you can see it's dirty, and the closer you get, the worse it gets. So what do you guys think? What looks better, black or white? When black is clean, I think it can't be beat, but white looks cleaner longer. That makes sense. One thing for sure, we absolutely love that the motorhome is black. I have no complaints. It looks good, but just like the Jeep, it does show its dirt. Let's see if we can make this white truck look even cleaner, shall we? Wow, it looks so clean. It's so bright it almost hurts my eyes. And of course it's gonna rain in like, I don't know, 2 days from now. It never stops. Today is beautiful though. Look at the sky. It's a perfect day today. What's wrong, Pipe? What happened to your frisbee, Pipe? Get your frisbee. Get the toy. Get the toy, Pipe. Here, let me help. Let me help. Okay. Ready? That didn't fly very well. Still loves it. We've had these 2 electric bikes for a while now. We had them all last summer. And when we were getting these, we fought the same battle. Do we get white or do we get black? Obviously, we picked white. These things have been phenomenal. I mean, they've just worked flawlessly, and they've worked extremely well. We liked them so much, in fact, that we got this one to give away at our swag out or camp out in August. This one is black, but it's brand new. It's in the box, never opened, and it will be given away to 1 lucky winner. Hey, what do we have here? 2 more brand new bikes. Let's open these up. This is how you get it in the box. It's fully assembled. It's just all wrapped up with this padding to protect it. It's in a folded up position. spare no expense making sure this thing gets shipped damage free. Look at all that. For a little comparison, here's the bike we got last year, and there's the one we just got. This is the XPremium. Something you may notice is that right there. See how there's nothing there? That is a second battery. In this bike, the battery is inside this tube here. On this bike, this piece right here, this is the battery. You got hydraulic brakes, bigger tires. Those are 4-inch. I think these were 3-inch. The dimensions of the bikes look the same. Here's something else I noticed too. This is where the electric motor was on the last year's bike. Now, if you look back here, there's nothing there. They've moved it up to here. By no means is this video meant to be a review of these bikes that will be coming. This is kind of my first impressions. Something I did notice, we had to add this upgraded headlight to this bike. That one comes with it. And then I also noticed on the back here, so you got brake lights on both, right? They're lit up because the headlights are lit up. I'm gonna show you what happens when I hit the brake. On last year's model, I hit the brake, nothing happens. Over to the XPremium bike and hit the brake, and it flashes. It's the small things, right? Charging up the bike, charging off the Wraith. Now, one difference I see right away is now that you have 2 batteries, you will have 2 chargers. So if I only plugged in that charger, I'd only charge that battery. However, when you're using the bike, it will actually draw from both batteries. Got a new toy, Piper. What do we got? Move back. Oh, we got a new toy. Look what we got, Pipe. We got you a new frisbee. Want it? You want it? Ready? Ready? Bring here, Pipe. Give me that toy. Give me that toy. So much for that one, huh? So it's done for. Battery is all charged up, or I should say batteries are all charged up. I'm ready to test this thing out. I don't have a lot of room to ride here, just kind of down the driveway and back, but like I said, this will be my initial impressions of this thing before we actually review it, test it, so on. This thing is a whole lot of fun, and putting the motor up here and having 2 batteries makes a bigger difference than you'd think, because with the old bike, like I said earlier, the motor is inside there, but having it up here, it turns the chain. Well, it's that way. The advantage to that is you can use your gears now. Like in first gear, it's gonna be super, super torquey. It's just gonna take off on you. And then you can go up to your gears, obviously, to go faster. The hydraulic brakes have been a big upgrade, a big improvement. What I'm gonna have to do though is replace this seat. That's one of the first things we did with our last bike, and we're just gonna take the comfort seats off of our old bikes and put them on these bikes. We are for sure going to be getting out and camping very, very soon, and I can promise you these bikes are going with us. That way we can give you the full review of what we think of them.
Thanks for watching, guys. We really appreciate it. Give this video a thumbs up, and we should be back out on the road soon. Like I said, I am not jinxing this, but it's looking pretty good. So stay tuned for more of our travel videos. Leave a comment below if you have any questions about the new Lectric bikes. We will be doing a more thorough video. This was literally just an unboxing. So until next time, see ya.